Dunder init can't modify an immutable object after it's created. That's exactly when you need dunder new. When Python creates an object, two methods run in sequence. Dunder new is called first. It's a static method that allocates memory and returns the new instance. Only after that does dunder init run, receiving that instance to set its attributes. Dunder init returns nothing. So if you need to control the object at birth, before init even sees it, dunder new is your entry point. The classic use case is subclassing immutable types like str, int, or tuple. These types lock their value at creation time in dunder new, not afterward. If you want a custom integer that clamps to a range, you must set that value in dunder new. By the time dunder init runs, the object is already frozen, and it's too late to change anything. Another practical use case is the Singleton pattern. By overriding dunder new, you can check whether an instance already exists and return the cached one instead of creating a new object. This gives you class-level control over instantiation, ensuring only one instance ever lives in memory. Two quick notes. Dunder new is technically a static method. It takes the class as its first argument and must return an instance, unlike dunder init, which returns none. It also surfaces in metaclass design and when wrapping other built-in types like list or dict. Override dunder new when you need control over instance creation itself, especially for immutable types, singletons, or built-in subclassing. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.